Welcome back to another episode of Vaping with Johnny Clouds, and today we are going to talk about a new pod system. Why are they so popular? I don't know. Probably because they're compact, easy, inexpensive, and just great. So, without further ado, we're going to talk about the new Sense Orbit TF. A few things to note about the TF. It is a 1100 milliamp hour battery. It is USB charged. Right here there's 3 temperature settings: soft, normal, and strong. The pod is a 3 ml pod, which is a ton of juice. And what juice are we vaping on today? We are vaping on glass, salt, e-liquid. There's a whole bunch of flavors: crunch berry, cool melon, mango tango, blue magic, one of my favorites, juicy apple, banana cream pie, fizzy lemonade, and crunch berry. So if you haven't tried any of their juices, they're really good. And glass makes a ton of regular freebase e-liquids as well, and you should see a picture right now of all their juice. But anyway, back to the device. So let's take a quick look at the pod. Here is the pod. You'll see right in the bottom here is where you take your coil and put it in, and this is a good look at the 0.6 ohm coil here, right there. This is the mesh. It's gonna make a lot more vapor. Focus, and yeah. Anyway, so, and this is a look at the 1.1 ohm coil right there. And we're going to prime it up real quick. So after juicing this up, we're going to take a vape on the device here and see how it performs. This is a very simple device, and let's compare it to some of the other more popular devices that have been out recently. Obviously the Orion. So let's compare it in size. This is a little bit thicker, but size-wise it is, not too much bigger. It's a little bit wider. How they feel in the hand, I actually like how this one feels. It is made out of plastic and zinc alloy, and yeah, it doesn't feel terrible. It doesn't feel cheap, for being made majority of plastic. One of the pros I like about this one is it has 3 temperature modes, and I'm going to show you how to use those real quick. So to turn the device on, you just click it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Green light. The green light signifies the lowest temperature setting. 1, 2, 3. The white is the medium or normal. So it's soft, normal, and then 1, 2, 3. And that's the strong setting, not the hard setting, the strong setting. The drip tip on this is proprietary, not proprietary, it's not even removable, so it is just built into the pod. So but the bore on this drip tip is rather big here, if you can see that here. So let's take a rip on this after I show you how to fill it. And actually in the time machine we actually showed you how to, so let's just skip that and go on to vaping it. So I'm going to put this on the soft setting. 1, 2, 3. And notice there's a USB charge. This does have an 1100 milliamp hour battery, which is a lot. So this is the first time I've actually vaped on this device, so let's just find out together. Alright, so holy cow. That was the soft setting. I have a glass 25 in here and 25 Nick Blue Magic in here, and that was the soft setting. So let me take another rip at the normal setting here. So, oh, the red light, that means my battery's going low. Alright, so this thing pounds. So far I'm very impressed with the Sense Orbit TF. So let's just take a rip on the hard setting here. So 1, 2, 3. I do have the 0.6 ohm mesh coil. The draw on this is super airflow. A mouth to lung on this draw is probably super loose, to say the least. But if you want a sonic device that hits really hard, let's try it on the hard mode. Yeah. The flavor out of this 0.60 mesh coil is really good. I'm very impressed. I like the size and everything like that. Wow. I haven't got a Nick Buzz in a while, and I only took 3 rips out of it. There's a whole bunch of colors, as I told you earlier. But yeah, overall, for the first 3 pulls on this thing, I'm really impressed. But this is the Sense Orbit, and I'm Johnny Clouds, signing off. Come check it out, and hit the like button and the notification bell and the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. You know, if you want to see some future videos, you know, just smash the button.